Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is a Mercedes S-Class AMG 2019, and what we've installed on this vehicle is full rear headrest screens. It pretty much looks close to factory, and factory original style ones that go in the back of your headrest. And yeah, it gives you full Android Auto Android system, so you can download any apps you want on here. So you got stuff like YouTube, Netflix, and the Play Store, which you can log in and download any app you want the system. Yeah, it's a full entertainment system. It comes with USB as well, so you can watch your videos on here if you want to through a USB stick as well, or you can stream videos as well by connecting to a hotspot. So yeah, if you want this system installed on your car, any car we can install this on if it has rear headrest. Yeah, give us a call on 0208-554-5554, or even come visit us at Car Sound Security, Ilford, Gansel, IG26QA. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to our videos, guys. Thank you.